Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Hope you are okay on that side of the screen. And today I've got the Xbox S right over here. If you haven't watched my, not a review, but my opinion why this is one of the most interesting consoles available, at least in my opinion, then I will leave a link somewhere right over here or right over here so that you guys can check it out. Now today we are going to talk a little bit about if we can use the Xbox, besides gaming and besides entertainment, also to work and being able at the end to replace a computer when we are choosing between a computer or a console. This sounds like an interesting topic. Let's dive into it. Now, first of all, let's go to the Xbox menu, and I can use the gamepad or I can use a keyboard and mouse. Now, I do believe that Xbox was one of the first, probably the first console to adapt several peripherals, and this is just great. Now I'm not sure, so don't, but I know that Xbox for a long time had peripherals access, so this just makes the experience a lot better. Now this will also allow us to play some games like Fortnite and things like that with a mouse and keyboard, which is also nice. So first of all, I would like to share one of the things that we can do, which is obviously gaming, and we can do all sorts of things. We can play a lot of games, so I'm not going to cover that because we have done that in the past. What I'm going to cover is something about the entertainment. If we go to the store, we will have some apps available which will be able to area. Now, YouTube app, which we will see a better option, Netflix, Spotify, Disney, Twitch, Prime Video, Notch TV. This is a local TV provider, which is great. I would like to see the other three as well: Vodafone, Novo, and Mail. Let's hope for the best. Crunchyroll. We have also Insider Hub, Bluedisc, Kodi. So a lot of apps that we can use for entertainment, and this is just great. So games are covered, entertainment is covered. Now let's go to the work area. And one of the latest updates on the Xbox was indeed the browser, which is included, which is Microsoft Edge, now based on Chromium, and that opens a wide door with a lot of possibilities. Now I'm just going to cover a few that I do believe that are basic and necessary to use the Xbox as a computer, but I will want to hear from that side of the screen on the comments down below. How would you like to add more features so that you could actually use it as a computer, or if these features are enough? Now let's open the Microsoft Edge right over here. Now the first thing that I would like to do, probably if I purchase this for a kid or a younger person, would be the freedom to browse the internet and of course search for information. So let's place here, where is Portugal? Where is Portugal? So it will take me to the Wikipedia, and it will, okay, it's in Portuguese because I've got everything in Portuguese right over here. But a really interesting thing is that it's fast. The browsing experience is just awesome. I can see images, obviously I can scroll through images, and I don't see any lag whatsoever. It's just a great experience right over here. And if I'm doing a job, probably, or a work for school, probably I want to copy a little bit of text. I want to copy everything, because in that case the teacher won't like and probably will get penalized. But one interesting thing that I did discover a few minutes ago while recording the video in Portuguese is that I can use actually shortcuts. So I'm going to use Ctrl+C to copy, and if I go to the Words app, by the way, using Office 365, and I can just create a new document right over here, and once it's loaded I'm just going to Ctrl+V, and this is great. It just copied and paste, and there is this virtual keyboard that appears. Now I haven't found a solution to disable it completely, but what I see is that if I press the B, it will disable the keyboard, and for a while I will be fine. Let me just go right over here. So if I press enter, and then I can keep on typing and the keyboard will not appear, which is great. But if I select right over here, as you can see, the keyboard will appear once again, and I will have. So this is a bit of a pain, but I do believe that with an update or so it will be fixed. Now I did just copy text, but if I wanted to copy image, for example, I could do that as well, which is just awesome. So let's just copy this part, go to the document, Control V, and bam, let's remove, and here we are with the images and so on and so forth. So this is just great. The same will happen with Excel. We will be able to work with PowerPoint and everything whatnot. Email, we can use Outlook or any other service that's available through a browser. And let's go to YouTube, because YouTube, it's in my opinion one of the great points. Although we have the app available to install, the app is more limited, so I can just go here and use it like I was on a real computer, because actually this is a computer. Now let's wait a little bit for the advertising, which is normal, and here we are with a 4K video playing back without any issues whatsoever. Actually, this is what you can expect from this model on the Xbox, and of course the superior model. There is one thing that I haven't discovered if it's possible or not at this moment, is that using the browser it will not use the all screen. I did activate full screen, but by some reason it doesn't go to the all screen. Now I just had a hiccup right over there, but this is on the network connecting via Wi-Fi, doing a lot of stuff, but it just plays back just awesome. And of course, having the ability to use the playlists and watch later and all those options that we have on the browser, so the experience is just awesome. Now I just want to show you a last example, which is the Adobe Spark. I'm not sure if you are familiar with this software right over here, but a free software that we can use online to create videos, to create slideshows and things like that. So I would say that we can go from the basic kind of work, that's homework on a Word, on a Excel sheet, and of course I haven't opened Google Docs or things like that, but that's another option, and there are a lot of other options. But if we want to do a little bit more, and we are talking about creating content such as this one that we are recording right now, I could do it. Now the only downside is that this video, for example, will have roughly 10 minutes or so, and what happens is that I would have to upload it and download it and so on and so forth, which will take longer or less longer depending on the bandwidth that I've got on my internet provider. But that's the only limitation. If we are talking about short clips and short videos and things like that, then this is just a great option, and there are other options on the market. But this just to say that it's not just Word, it's not just Excel. If I want to edit a video, here's a great solution, and if I want to do presentation and I don't know, a lot more, then Adobe Spark is one of the great options. I would invite you to visit the website and try it out and use it to see if it's great for you or not. Now I can go to projects, for example, so that you have an idea, and I can create a new project, and then I can use templates, or I can use from scratch slideshow, video, web pages, art invitations, social media covers, social media. There is a lot of options right over here, but I was talking more about video creation, so we can go to this area right over here and then just follow the template, and that is it. And guys, basically this was what I wanted to cover. Let me go to the main menu of the Xbox, which I really enjoy. It looks like Android TV, or Android TV looks like it, but it's a clean setup, a clean look, which I really enjoy. That is it. Hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave down below your ideas, your critics, everything that you want to input, what you would like to see in the future right over here, so that you could actually replace the computer by an Xbox and use it for everything, gaming, entertainment and work. Or if for your kinds of work or your kid kind of work, you could actually replace a computer with an Xbox, and that is it. So guys, if it was useful, don't forget that usual thumbs up right over there. My name is Roberto Jorge, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.